What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's get started. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video, and let's get started. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about face masks. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to put on these adjustable ear loop things. I don't know the proper name for it. If you do, comment down below. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I bought this one at Ralph's today. It was the only one or the last one that ran, so I like the ones. Yeah, so it was a little bit too big on the ears. So I thought about it all day, and then I was like, you know what? I can just take a paper clip, take off the adjustable ear loop things from one of my other masks, and put them on here. So yeah, alright, let's get started. So these ones are already perfect. So let's do this one first, my phone's on. So we're going to go ahead and start off with one ear. And what you want to do is, so I don't know if you guys can see, but the wider side goes in first. And then the smaller side goes in at the top. So, if you want me to show you guys how to turn a paper clip to look like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I will show you guys at the end of the video. So, anyway, so what you want to do is, once you have a paper clip like this, which I'll show you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So, first off, you can't have it like twisted or anything like that. You gotta have it like lined like this in order for it to work. So, you gotta slide in the paper clip like that. Then, what you wanna do is take the just ear loop thing, again, the wire side, slide it right on through, and then there you go. Then you just take this out, and now you got yourself an adjustable face mask. Okay. Next up is my customizable one. So I'm only doing one ear to show you guys because I just want to make this video as good as possible. So same thing. So once you, now this fabric is a little bit harder, but like I've done this so many times now. There's a live video from you guys, but I want to make a short video doing this, so it's gonna be easy. But once you do it for the first time, it's gonna be hard. But anyways, so once you have the mask aligned like that, then put the paper clip through there like that. And again, same thing. What you want to do is, again, same thing. Small slide goes on top. The bigger slide goes on the bottom. So, just slide it right on through. Now, I didn't think that you would be able to fit on here, but they do, which is, I think, is amazing. So then, once you have it on there, just take this out, and there you go. Now you got another adjustable face mask. Alright. So now we're going to put this on, and then adjust it. Now I feel comfortable and safe to wear this one out in the shop. Alright, so last thing I will do for you guys is show you guys how to turn the paper clip to look like this. Okay, so got my paper clips here. What you want to do is take a paper clip, okay, and then you just do it like this. So you go like, you just gotta like unhinge it, or however you call it. Once you have them both straight, or somewhat straight, then you just put them together. Because the key is, what you want to do, so that one's more perfect than this one. Anyways, so the key is, because what you want to do is, you gotta have it, you gotta make sure that you gotta have it like that. So, yeah. There you go, you guys. That's how you put a adjustable ear loop thing on a face mask. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. And also, if you guys want me to start making shorter videos, I apologize that I can't make short videos. That's just who I am. I talk a lot, so it's hard for me to make short videos. Anyway, again, that's how you make a face mask turn a face mask into a adjustable face mask. And how you turn paper clips into this. So, anyways, again, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And, I'm gonna start doing cooking videos. Seeing anything on both my channels. So, yeah, I'm gonna make a cooking video later today. So, stay tuned for that. Alright, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna upload them on both channels. Same thing with this video too. Right.